Welcome back to Rusty Jeep. Today we're going to be going quickly over, she's almost done. I know some people have been with the channel for a while, some people just click on videos. I just want to do a quick overview of what has been done and the videos that are going to start coming out, because I'm going to have my nephew edit some videos. We lost some footage, but let's go over this real quick. First, take a look underneath the hood of this and see what videos are coming up. You already have the video of, out of the headers, but I put motor mounts 1-inch. I put new down pipe Cadillac converters. I did electrical, there's videos of that. That's about it underneath, I think. Over here, oops, let's say I put a whole new front end, steering, tie rods. There's videos on that. This is gonna be the color of my baby. This is Willow Green, and it's from a Chevy 66 Willow Green. This still has not been buffed out, but you're gonna get a video on the TJ lights. Everything on this Jeep, the bumper is not staying that color, it's changing. Everything on this Jeep has been basically body worked out, and then I basically did what's the fuck it called? Jesus, man, I lost a lot of religious people in that one. I skim coated everything. So if you look at it and if you feel it, this is going to be block sanded one more time, but this whole hood has been skim coated. I got metal coke videos. I did not metal coke videos. I got metal coke fenders. I did not make a video about it. We're gonna not even talk about it right now. All this has been skim coated. I put everything together. I did have a problem right here. There's a bar that this bar goes all the way underneath, and the bolt that I had that was in there was longer. So when I get the new bolts, it pushed this in a little bit and gave me a little dent, so I got to rework that a little bit. That's not a big deal. That'll be 2 seconds. In the back of the Jeep, everything has been painted, and except for these, is ready to go into the motor. The motor is done. If you turn around and look above the garage, up on top of that rack, all those things have been painted and ready, so the interior is ready to be put together. When I come back, I'll put that back in. Let's go back here. Tailgate, if you watched a bunch of the videos on the tailgate is done. It's zip tied down closed, but this shit, don't forget, when you buy a tailgate, it's off center. If you look at your Jeep TJ tailgate, these are off center. So all this has been worked out, all this has been done. So there's videos on that, take a look at that. But that's the final product of that. Of course, there is video on basically round backlights, but that's all done. All this has been blocked 3 times over. This is straight as shit. On this side, same thing. Everything's been going over. I got to block it one more time when I get back and paint it. Over here, I'm going, anything that has a mark on it, I still going to go over. I don't like it. And if you come over here, you're going to see one here and one there. So that one more, I'm going to go over it one more time. So all in all, she is pretty much ready. So when I come back, I will be block sanding and sanding it. There's a bunch of videos coming out that my nephew will edit. So even though the work is stopped for a couple months, you're going to see a bunch of videos just because I've been in a hurry because I got to leave. So enjoy the videos. If you have any questions, put them in a comment. I will try to get back to anyone that comments. If you do comment, you notice I usually respond right away. You have a great day. Thank you very much.